Guys, I'm Josslyn Claire Perez, a student from Bulacan State University, from College of Education, Bachelor Technical Teacher Education, major in Garments Fashion and Design Technology. And I'm here to demonstrate or to teach you how to operate sewing machine. So if you know how to operate sewing machine, you will learn also here. But if you don't, you will learn how to operate sewing machine step by step. So I suggest that you hear and listen to me carefully for you to learn how to operate sewing machine. So guys, let's get started. Then the clutch, then step to the florist attachment, then
Ano yung bababandar? Okay. Nasa ano?
And that's the ways of operating sewing. That's it guys. I hope you learned something on how to operate sewing machine in this video, and I am really thankful that you spend your time to watch this video I demonstrate today. And that's all. I really appreciate it guys. Thank you.